Letter A, because we can sum this with this, and we can minus. How can I say we can minus, we can diminuir? Como é que eu posso falar isso?
You can subtract.
Subtract. Perfect. Okay, A is the right answer. 3.
9.
9. Just put the number 2 in X.
Yeah.
Okay. Easy. 4.
Você tirar, meu Deus. Olha, não, mas credo, isso aí é um crime, não pode tirar.
Esse eu não sei fazer, eu acho. Tipo assim, I know that you have to subtract. No, not subtract. Substitute.
Sorry. My mother was talking. Can you repeat, please? Can you repeat, please?
So I know you have to substitute the X with the 0.
Yeah, but we don't have the function, right?
Yeah, I don't know how to do this.
But we have the graph. So you can look the graph, because in graph we have the value of the fx in 0. 0 is the line. So
But would it
we
be
have
2?
here, we have, sorry?
Would it be 2?
2?
Mhm.
No. The value is, so just a second. If you have x equals 0, it's just look the graph. In graph, we have the value here, because here we have x equals 0, right?
Yes.
It's just think about it. 6, 4, 2, 0. 0 is here. But where the graph is in x equals 0, graph is here. So in this point, the value of the function is -8, right?
Yeah.
So the answer is B, right? Did
Okay.
you understand? Okay.
I think so.
Yeah, it's just look the graph. The fx, the function, generate a graph. Okay. So
Yes.
you can understand the terms. Look in the graph, because the graph is the function, but it's the draw of the function. Okay. So let's do the 5 one.
2, D.
D, let me see. The function h is defined above. For what value of x is at x equals -2, so you put -2 here. So you can bring this number to here too. -4 divided by -4 is 1. 1 -1 to the other side. Okay, yeah. You're right. You are amazing today. Very fast. Congratulations. I suppose I
Thank you.
am. I suppose I am. I have part of this conquest. This conquista é conquest, né?
This conquista.
Advance. Desse avanço seu.
This.
Yeah.
Eu não esqueci como fala conquista.
Deve ser conquest, algo assim.
Não. Tem uma coisa chamada conquer, mas é tipo conquistar.
Ah. É verdade.
Aparentemente é conquest. Achievement. É que eu tava pensando de achievement.
É verdade. Achievement, amazing.
I think, and I could be wrong, I think it's C.
Letter B?
No. C. C.
C. Okay. So I suppose you know what you need to do. You need isolate the letter R, right? You need to isolate the letter R. So we have an algorithm, sequence to do this. I will do to you, okay? But I suppose you are right, or not. I look at error. Just a second. I will do this to you, okay?
Okay.
Amazing. First, the central idea is I need isolate the R. Now we have this number in front of R, in front of this number 2. But first, I wanna put this number to the other side, okay? So this is a fraction. So when I pass to the other side, we can multiply the number is under and divided the number is up, okay? It's above. So it's like a cross multiplication, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So we have this. This is ever the same thing when we have a fraction multiplying some side. So we have this. Because this, you are wrong, because letter C have the same structure, 5 up and 9 down. So it's wrong. We have changed the sides, okay? And now we have put this number to the other side. So we have this answer. This answer is not the letter C, is the letter A. Yeah, but I suppose you don't do any math. You don't do any count, right? You just think and choose.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is wrong. You need to do some math. some calculation. Okay, but okay. This is broke. Let's go to the another one. Okay, this is an algebraic question, easy algebraic question. The sum of the solutions.
For the Bhaskara.
Yeah, quadratic formula. Okay.
Um,
Yeah, Bhaskara quadratic formula is the same thing, but in Brazil nós chamamos, não é igual, we named this Bhaskara, but Bhaskara is wrong, is not the real name of this. The name is quadratic formula, okay? So it's important to you know this because some question SAT can have this name, so you need to know what to do. You need to do the Bhaskara, okay? So do the Bhaskara and sum the solutions, okay? Okay.
talvez eu seja meio lerda perguntando isso. Qual que é a fórmula mesmo?
Okay, don't worry. Just a second. Yeah, we have the Bhaskara formula, but
Não, eu sei fazer, só que daí a fórmula eu fico esquecendo.
yeah, but in SAT, you don't have much time to do a Bhaskara. Sometimes you need to do another count, another math is more interesting. But first, you need to do the Bhaskara, okay? After I will teach to you some method more fast, but more hard too. I need to speak with my mother just a second.
That's okay.
So, did you do the math? Did you do the Bhaskara?
I'm still doing it.
No problem.
Acho que a minha deu errado.
Zero problem.
A minha deu 8.
We don't have this answer here. I
É.
will do the Bhaskara, okay? I suppose you want some step in the Bhaskara. So we have this B. These numbers is very big. This is really boring. 144 minus 20. 12.
Why?
20.
Por que aqui em cima é... Ah, é parênteses, ah, tá.
Sim. Parentheses. So we have 4. Our
Isso.
delta is 4.
Aí deu
So we
certo.
have minus B, minus 12. Because minus, this minus is a sign of the formula. Okay?
Ok.
Here we have 4 and 2 times 4 times 1. So we have 12 minus plus 2 divided by 2. So you have 2 answers. 14/2 is
Ué?
7. What?
Ah, eu pus menos 12. Mas é porque já era menos 12, daí tem que... Ah, entendi.
Yes, minus with minus is plus,
Plus.
right? And here we have 10 over 2 is 5. So 7 plus 5 is 12, okay?
Justo.
Yeah, let's go to the next one. Pay attention with the signs. The signs is easy to do, okay? But okay. So we already talk about the situation, okay? We already talk about is the situation when we have sines and cosines and the both is equal here. Why is equal? Because when I have the sine of an angle, the sine of an angle in a right triangle, the sine of an angle is the same thing of the cosine, the another angle, okay? Sine of x is equal to the cosine of y, okay?
Okay.
Only in a right triangle. E o contrário, the contrário is the same thing. The cosine of this angle is equal to the sine of this angle, okay?
Okay.
Okay, just record this to use because the SAT guys love this situation, okay? So,
Sin era cateto oposto sobre cateto adjacente?
yeah. Okay. So the sine of this angle is the length AC divided by BC, okay?
Uh-huh. And then cos is
Cosine of y is AC2 because cosine is the adjacent cateto, okay?
então é o cosseno é a cateto adjacente sobre cateto oposto.
Yeah. Não, hipotenusa.
Cateto adjacente sobre hipotenusa. E o tangente?
Tangente is opposite cateto divided by adjacent cateto. Okay?
E o sim?
Opposite cateto divided by hypotenuse.
Ah, entendi.
Yeah. Okay? Okay, so the answer is C.
Yeah.
Just it. This this problem is very hard to me. So I don't know if I want to do this. I don't know if I want teach you this, but you can again record, gravar, né? You need. Como é que é gravar? Decorar, não é record, né?
You
Record.
can,
Memorize.
yeah.
Okay. In this situation, if you notice, we have the letter E and letter D. These two letters, these 2 points, is symmetric. Okay, this is symmetric because the only different thing here is the number 2, but 2 is the double of 1, right?
Yes.
And the sign is different because we are in the under coordinate, okay, in the place where y is negative, okay? So because this -2 here, but we have -4 here. -4 is the double of the negative double of 2, okay? So this point is the symmetric, the point C, okay?
Yes.
Because it's the double and y is negative. So the another point that problem is asking to us is the double and y negative of letter B. So I suppose it's 4. I suppose it's 4.
4 and 10.
Minus 10, okay?
Oh,
So,
okay, yeah.
letter B, okay? Perfect. Just like that. We have some complex math to do this, but SAT ever have atalho, a short path to do this math, okay? To do all the maths in the proof. So we need think about, never do long maths to solve the questions. Think about, we always have some short path, okay? So you need to do the 11.
Okay. Quanto que seria a raiz de 3 sobre 2?
We don't have square root. Are you sure in this problem? Why square root in this problem? Problem don't have any situation where we have square roots.
And I probably did it wrong.
We need to solve the system, isolate some letter.
If I isolate the, if I isolate the y, like
Sorry?
on the second one, if
Yeah.
I isolate the y,
Yeah.
couldn't I just substitute the y on top for 2?
Perfect. You need to do this. Is the more fast, the faster situation here. Yeah.
And then that would be 2x equals x plus 3.
Yeah. 2x equals x plus 3. Yeah. Now you need isolate.
Can I see D?
Yeah. Just a second.
Okay. So the x is gonna be 6.
You already do the count? Do you already do this count? The y value is
Yeah, because if 2 times x is equal to x plus 3, that means x is 3.
yeah.
So sorry, not 6, but x is 3.
Y is 6.
No, I said that wrong.
Yeah.
Y? Oh yeah, then
Y.
y is 6. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so the answer is the value of y, so y is 6, okay? So answer is D.
Yes.
Easy. The system is very easy in SAT. Sometimes you need subtract the equation. Sometimes you need isolate some letter. You always need look the equation before do the math, okay?
Yes. D.
B.
D. D.
The function AT models the number of liters of fluid in a tank of T hours. Which of the following model the number of liters of the fluid in the tank after M minutes? D. Letter D. But that equation, we have hours. T is hours. Now we want the equation where the
Oh, then it's 60M, so it's B.
yes, but B, I don't know because all the minutes you put in M will be multiplied by 60. And we don't want to do this. We want divided by 60 because when we divide the minutes by 60, we have hours, right?
Yeah.
So it's not B. I suppose it's A, okay? Because in this situation, we can put the hours here. For example, if we have 1 hour, we will have 100 liters, okay?
Yes.
But when we have the equation in minutes, we again need, after 1 hour, 100 liters, okay? So, how much is 1 hour in minutes? 100, 120, okay? So, when I put 100, sorry, 1 hour is 60, 2 hours, 120. But when you put 60 minutes here, in other words, 1 hour, 60 over 60 is 1. So we have, again, 100. Okay?
Yes.
So this is the right answer. If you put here 60 minutes, we will have a lot of liters. Okay? So it's wrong. Okay, do you understand the situation?
I do.
Okay, amazing. So pay attention in this description. Okay, not be the value.
Mm, 0.
0. You just
I don't know.
suppose. Yeah, you cannot do this with me.
No, because
just a second.
okay. So the K is equal to 3.
Just a second. Okay, what's the problem here? We have a line, okay? A line equation.
Yes.
So you need to understand the situation. If the equation has exactly one solution, when we have lines, we can have three situations. One situation, the lines never cross, okay? So in this situation, we don't have a solution because the lines don't cross, so they don't have on one point where is the same thing, okay? So 0 solutions here.
Okay.
Now we have one solution because the lines cross, okay? This is
Yep.
the solution. This is the solution of the system. That equations are lines. That equations in that question are lines. This is a line, this is another line. I am showing to you this in a graph form, okay? So we have one solution here. The third situation is the situation more strange because we have a line and we have another line, but the lines is the same, okay? The lines is the same. The situation can be possible with equations are multiply one with each other or equals. Equal equations generate this situation. The situation we have infinite solutions, okay? Because all points are the same. So 3 situations. And in our question, we want this, okay?
Yes.
If you look the equation, we can be the y-intercept is the same, okay? So if the k is the same too, Se o K for o mesmo, como eu poderia falar isso?
If the K is the same.
If the K is the same, mas é o que eu quero falar, tipo, no futuro, se, uma suposição, entende?
É, pode ser também, if the K is the same.
Okay. If the K is the same, we will have the same line, the same equation. And we don't want this because we don't want more than one solution. We want only one solution. So K need be different by 3, okay? So the answer is C, because the only number where we have more than one solution, we will have infinite solutions, is K equals 3, okay?
Yeah.
Do you understand? So if you put 0 here, or 1, or 8, we will have only one solution. 3, we have infinite solutions. Okay. Okay, very cool. You can do the 40.
Two.
2, how many solutions does the equation blah 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 have? Why do you think it's 2?
Because I'm doing it, eu acho que vai dar Bhaskara.
Yeah, this is a cool idea. But Bhaskara sometimes have one solution, sometimes have 0 solutions. Okay?
And I don't know.
Yeah, so you really need to do this math, do this calculation, okay? Bhaskara have one solution when our delta is 0. I don't know if the delta is 0. Or if delta is negative, we have 0 solutions. Only when the delta is more than 0, we have 2. So let's do the math. First, the distributive, we have x squared minus 4x. And here we have a special product, okay? The special product is x squared minus 1. Because we have the same thing, but different signs, okay?
Yes.
So in this situation, if you look with me here, x squared here, cut, okay? This x squared disappears. So we have minus 4x equals minus 1. So x is only 1 over 4. One solution only. This is a troll question. A troll question, okay?
Okay.
So pay attention. Okay, you are right. Quadratic equations can have two solutions, but it's not always. Okay. So you need to do the math. Okay. Exponential properties. My dog have, I don't know, my dog have, I don't know, 14 years. He is very old for a dog. My mother, when go out of our home, he he starts a wolf
Howling.
howling. Yeah.
Mm.
So silly. You are so silly.
I have 12 dogs.
12?
Hmm.
It's not possible. Sorry,
Yeah.
but it's not possible. If you work in a canil, okay. But 12 is a lot.
I know.
You clean the cocos?
Yeah, I have to.
My God, it's a lot of cocos.
Yeah. I don't think I know how to do this.
Okay. If n is a positive integer, which of the following is the equivalent to the expression above? You just need manipulate this expression to transform this in some of these options. So we can try change this. Okay. Let me see. For example, we have 2 to the power of 2 over n, and here we have 3 to the power of 1 over n. Some problem with this? Do you have some problem? Do you understand what I did?
No, I understand. I understand.
Okay, this property transform, change the squares,
Yeah.
roots, okay, exponential fractions, exponentials. So, for example, here we have things is a little similar, because we have n in the denominator. So we can change a little more this. For example, I can do this, and now I have two things with this exponent. So I can use this. First, I can do this. This is 4 to the power of this fraction, and here 2. We have a property. We have a property when I can multiply these bases. Okay, I can multiply.
Yeah.
Because the exponential is the same, so I can multiply the bases. 12 to the power 1 over n, but we don't have this form here. but we have here. If I transform this, I will have, okay?
Yes.
Just change using the property, okay? So we can do one more, okay? 16.
Okay. I don't know because I don't know what the hell is a K. Like where is K?
A linear equation. Do you know what is a linear equation? Sorry. Do you know what is a linear
Oh,
equation?
y equals
Y
mx
equals,
plus b.
yeah. So we have a lot of points to do this equation, okay? But
y-
we have a problem here because we have a situation where y muda, y change. We have 0, 1, 2, y change, but x is ever the same thing, okay?
Yes.
Where k is a constant. What's the value of k? K is 2 because x is ever 2, okay?
Okay.
Okay, amazing, amazing. So this class was very good, and we have another class tomorrow. Tomorrow our class is 3 p.m., okay?
Okay.
Okay, amazing. So I speak to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.